sorry if I make this. Oh my god. Hi guys, it's Ayana and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys really quickly how I preserve my twist out, and this video is specifically for lazy naturals because I know that some of us we like to preserve the twist out for a while and you know, do those chunky twists every night before we go to bed. But recently I've just not been in the mood. I have not been in the mood. So I was like, what's a different way I can preserve it? Keep the definition. Really? Really? You're gonna act like that? Okay. I mean, if that's what you want to do. A way to preserve the definition but not have to put in as much work. And so basically it's literally just putting your hair into 2 puffs and 2 flat twists. So as you guys saw, I have my hair into those 2 little space buttons, I think they're called. And so I just took them out. And what I'm going to do is the back side of my hair was left out. So I'm just going to split the back of my hair down the middle and take this and just wrap the scrunchie around it twice and leave it like that. And same thing with this back section over here. Wrap the scrunchie around it twice and leave it. I really should have a satin scrunchie. That's what you know you're supposed to do, but I don't. And then for this part, tomorrow I'm probably gonna want to wear my hair out and not have my puffs up. So I've been brainstorming today, and I think the best way for me to get my hair back into that state of being down like this is to flat twist this very lightly down. So we're gonna attempt to do that. So I'm just gonna grab some sections and flat twist. This is not a flat twist tutorial. I repeat, this is not a flat twisting tutorial. And never said it was. So leave me alone. Okay, and then I'm very loosely doing this. This is kind of similar to my regular routine, which I will be showing you guys in the future, don't worry. And then I'm gonna take this this random green scrunchie and just put it here to hold that down. Okay. It's so ratchet. Can y'all see? Ratchet. Okay, now let's continue. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Because I made good parts in the front of my hair while I was doing the twist out, so it's not too easy to find, you know, to easily grab sections while I'm doing this loose flat twist. So I guess it's another benefit of parting your hair when you're doing your twist out. It helps the preservation process work better. Okay, and then I'm just gonna, you know, go like that. Bada boop, bada boom, bo 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 ho, but do. Bada bop, boom. Okay, so then I'm just going to put my scarf on, wrap it loosely. Where is it? Do y'all really need to see how I do my scarf? I mean, oof, okay, sunlight's going down, so I decided, oh my god, my scarf. I have this scarf right here, guys. So I'm just gonna take it like this, fold it, put it over my head, and tie it very loosely. But that is my hair nighttime routine. If you guys want to see, I don't know, my skin routine or whatever, I mean, I don't have amazing skin, far from it, but I'm working on it. And if you guys want to be on that journey with me and work on it together, and I'm here for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. I'll see you in my next one. I wanted to come back really quick, you guys, and show you guys the next day, and how after I shook it out and flipped and picked out my hair, that this is the volume that I'm getting, and this is the definition that is still happening. Also, yeah, so the nighttime routine, it just keeps the ends tucked away. It keeps, it kind of helps the curl stretch a little bit during the night and just protects it, the overall style. And then the next day, you have definition and you have volume, and the twist out still looks great. So this is a great way to preserve your hair for lazy naturals. You didn't have to do the 2 flat twists. You could have easily just taken those 2 sections and put it into 2 puffs as well, as we did it with the back sections. But because of the style I had that day, I needed to do the flat twist so my hair would fall this way today, because I wanted to wear my hair like this today. But yeah, again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.